Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is Rakshat here. How you doing? Ellaru hegidira? Yes, indeed. I'm heading to a place where you already would have read, or no, I haven't kept the description because I'm still shooting the video. So HP petrol bunk. I'm heading to a small destination. I think it was I actually had plans of going to Gandikota, but eventually it was too far and it's thought that it's not gonna work out. So it was very important for me to do some ride even before I exit 2021 and head into 2022, right? So heading towards a small ride, I have Sanket, my neighbor, whom you would have already seen from Chikmagalur vlog, right? So he's not pillioning me, he's coming from the other motorcycle there you see on the mirror. So he's also there. Alongside with them I have my cousin as well. So the destination about an hour and 50 minutes. Hopefully we should reach it on time. We just fueled up. I think we should reach there on time, hopefully. And it's 5:50 a.m. in the morning and the Mad Dog Lights is coming into help. I thought of putting another SJG one. So I will explain you about the place that I'm going in a while, but before that I thought of giving you some idea about I did change the sprocket. You do see the rattling, right? So I did go for 15 sprocket front only because I really did not have the top end to ride. So I decided I think I need to have it, so then I went for it. And 14, I think what happened was when I changed to the 14 sprocket, right, I think the entire error just popped up. So the error was saying ABS failure, traction control failure, and then even what is the other thing, even it said that the engine check light was also popping out. Then I was sure that just because you change sprocket it should not be so much effective because that doesn't have any sensors connected to it, all right. So then later I decided ki I asked the guy, and I called the service center. I know a guy in KDM, so I called him. So I called and I asked him. He said that hey, just try to remove the plugs and also a couple of other things like what is that called, the flash, not the flash one, but it is the amp, right? The 16 amp, 15 amp, what you call the fuse one. So he just asked me to remove and then replug it back. So chumma I just did that, and then it worked out well for me. So it started working then, and I went back to the 14 sprocket thing again. So that's what we did, all right. So that was the thing that we did. And then I had to do it because I thought of going for Gandikota like 3 days before it. So then when it failed, with something in your heart stuck, right? Your mind says to go, but your heart says don't go. Maybe not that sort of thing that I do get in my mind. So I did not go. Then later what happened, 30th of December I'm riding today. So I'm riding to a place which you will see in a minute or two. But either way, let's do it. Sanket, I think he's not getting the power to cruise above 90. I also got the 360 ride. I'm sure you would have loved the unboxing as well. So let's see if I can do something after riding to Kanyakumari. This ride feels very small, alright. If I put Pioneer, it will be even more planted because of the weight. But this, it might help to an extent, but not too much. Whoa, the fog is here. I only came intentionally after 5:30 because I have good lights, but the peeps they have the stock lights, so wanted to make sure that come little late. If I was on 6R, I would have reached the toll by this time. I'm not sure whether you guys are able to see the fog, but I am. Let me turn up the lights. See now? It's not visible, but yeah, it is shaky. My body is shaky. The only dream that I thought I wanted to be was a pilot, but I could not be there. I wanted to study, but my parents were like, just shut up, don't study. It would have been nicer. I know everyone has that thing, but I always dreamt to be a pilot, alright. That is what I dreamt for. But you won't get... Financially it is difficult back then. Whoa, holy moly. Sartha, you won't even realize you'll be just going, but nothing will be visible. One more light will be proper. It will point out in the center properly. This one is spreading, right, on the lower part. I need that one focus thing towards the center. I think that will make an awesome thingy. You can see the mirror are getting fogged. If I don't have the yellow filter, white won't give you so much throw. That's why people use a lot of yellow light. Not yellow light, but the yellow filter. But the best part about it, when you have those filters, you can just cruise. This thing says you can touch with finger, but this is not recognizing, yeah. Let me see with this. See, the center part is not visible. The side throw is good, but center it's not visible so much for me. I think lower it works when you have like dividers and all. I'm not against it, but center throw is also important, bro. Wow, I'm just getting into the fog. Holy moly. This is why we ride. It is like ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಎದ್ದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋರ್ಗೂ ಕಷ್ಟ, but the moment you get up and sit on the motorcycle, it's a different feeling altogether, man. Wow, whoa. There is a hump. ಓಡ್ಸಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನೀನೇನು ತಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲಾಡಿಸ್ತೀಯ, ಓಡಿಸ್ತಿರೋದು ಅವನು. ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ವೆದರ್? ಕಣ್ಣೇ ಬಿಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಗುರು. ಹೋಗೋಣ, ಹಾಂ, ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬ. So I just wanted to make sure that I check with the guys if they're comfortable riding, because it's actually more foggy in the morning. You'll not be able to see through because there's a lot of light that is coming from motorcycles, right? But if it's like an empty road, it's gonna be super hard. Things might get slowed down a bit. What if I'm hardly able to see anything. Not the visor thing. ಮಗ ಲೈಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಗ. ಸಿಕ್ಸರ್ ಎತ್ಕೊ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾನೆ ಲೇ ಮಗ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಲೈಟ್ರ ಗಾಡಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಭಿ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ? ನೋಡೋ ಮಗ, ಇವಾಗ ರೂಟಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾವನೆ. ಅದೇ ಅವನು ಇವಾಗ ರೂಟಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾವನೆ. ಫಸ್ಟು 9:30 ಇವಾಗ ಅಣ್ಣ ಹೋದ್ರಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತವನೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಯಪ್ಪ, crazy. What is this? Brigada. Lighthouse, just like a lighthouse. Oh, there's a trail here. Oh, this is like unexplored, man. That's why you need to make sure that you explore a lot of places.